Possession. The buyer takes over ownership of the property and becomes responsible for it once the property is completed. They can't make any changes to the property without the seller's permission and must keep the property in good condition. Occupation and completion. The buyer has to occupy the property as soon as it's completed and pay for occupation costs. The seller has to give the buyer 1 month's notice before the property is ready for occupation. The buyer can't rent out the property without the seller's permission, and any disputes over the completion date will be resolved through dispute resolution. Inspection. Before moving in, the buyer and the seller have to inspect the property together and list any defects or problems that need to be fixed. Any disputes over these issues must be resolved before the seller hands over the keys. The buyer has to provide reasonable access to the seller's contractors to fix any minor defects within 30 days of moving in. The buyer can also supervise the fixing process to protect their belongings.